Well, we've been coming to the Restaurant and Takeaway Innovation Show for the last 5 years, and it's the same thing that brings us back every year. It's a real great mix of sort of small-scale startups along with really huge companies. It's just everyone we need to speak to.
Great to see the innovation that's happening in the industry. You know, the industry moves so rapidly, it's changing all the time. And every stand here is just intrinsic of what's going on in the industry. The best bit is just seeing all the thoughts, ideas and innovation.
So the Restaurant and Takeaway Innovation Expo is important to grow the hospitality sector. There's also a lot of automated processes now. You are finding technology are helping this, and it's helping the sector forward.